Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start with a clean canvas. In this video, I will explain how to use the Filorga Oxygen Glow Mask. First, ensure your face is thoroughly cleansed and dry. Then, apply a generous, thick layer of the mask evenly across your entire face. Remember to steer clear of the sensitive skin around your eyes. This initial step prepares your skin to fully absorb the mask's beneficial ingredients, setting the stage for a radiant glow. Once applied, let the mask work its magic for precisely 10 minutes. During this period, you might experience a slight tingling sensation, which is completely normal. This indicates that the mask's active ingredients are busy oxygenating and revitalizing your skin. It is important not to leave the mask on for longer than the recommended 10 minutes to achieve optimal results without irritation. After 10 minutes, it is time to rinse. Use lukewarm water and gently massage your face in circular motions as you remove the mask. This helps to further exfoliate and stimulate your skin. Once all traces of the mask are gone, pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. You can then proceed with your regular serums and moisturizers to lock in the glow. For best results, incorporate the Filorga Oxygen Glow Mask into your routine 2 to 3 times each week. Regular use helps to maintain a consistently radiant and smooth complexion. This mask is designed to provide an instant glow, detoxify your skin, and leave it looking fresh, plump, and incredibly luminous. It is your secret weapon for a healthy, vibrant appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.